Volkswagen Jetta, and went to leave to go to work today. Started out fine, but then it started making all kinds of special noises. And in the background you hear a nice little weird dog who thinks he's a badass. So don't mind that. Here we go. I'm gonna try to start it up and let you hear what it's doing. So in P0341 and P0011. Yep. Didn't turn over that time. Here we go. Let's try again. Here we go. The whole thing's shaking. That might be part of the problem with all that crap on the ground. I was dripping that. Latch is screwed up. That wasn't shaking like that before. That's something to do with the camshaft positioning sensor, maybe. I don't know. Don't know if you can see it or not, but the door's shaking. Probably an easy fix, but it's got 174,000 miles on it. And don't know if it's worth it or not. Oh, that's what I'm dealing with. Once I got on the road, it was even worse, and so even saw a cloud of smoke. So, got it back home, and this is where I sit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.